everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and I am so excited because today I am here with Amarah with David Weekley, and we are in the Seabrook Village neighborhood. So I'm so excited. She's going to be taking us through one of their beautiful quick move-in homes that they have available. So I'm going to let her tell us where we are today.
Hi everyone, welcome. I'm thrilled to show you our shepherd plan today here in Seabrook Village, Phase 1. We are at 340 Sienna Palm Drive here on the preserve, and I can't wait to show you. Our shepherd is 2,400 square feet,
Wow.
4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a loft space. Come on inside.
All right, let's do it.
All right, as you come into the front here, you'll notice we have a spacious entryway.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Lots of natural light. And I'd like to point out that you have plenty of wall space.
Yeah.
So you have the opportunity to set up a little mud room or
absolutely.
a backpack rack or a place to put your shoes.
Great.
You'll also notice the tall ceilings as Carling is walking through. All of our homes come with standard 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot interior doors.
Yeah, it lives very grand as soon as you walk in.
You'll notice we're coming into a secondary bedroom, and that's right, we have a secondary bedroom on the first floor of this home. So you have 2 down, 2 up, and this bedroom's special because there is actually access to the bathroom you're about to see from inside the bedroom or outside the bedroom.
Wow.
So this is kind of like a dual ensuite bathroom. It's very versatile.
Yeah, that's great if you are working from home from this room, or if you have guests that are in town, that they can just use the bathroom right from the bedroom. That's
or
wonderful.
even if we have some people who have in-laws that live with them full-time or part-time, it creates an element of privacy there. Now we're coming into the heart of the home, which is the kitchen area.
Wow.
And as you can see, this kitchen is a stunner.
It is.
We have lots of designer features in this one. So you'll see the gorgeous upgraded white cabinetry, the cafe line appliances, and the hand-selected backsplash.
Yeah, but backsplash is beautiful. This island is so large. I love the fixtures that you guys chose for this kitchen. It is beautiful. Love the deep drawers that looks like that's under the stove.
You've got some pot and pan drawers there. And let's not forget about this walk-in pantry that we have. What I also like is the separation of this kitchen. You have a little side area, which would be great for entertaining or parties or even to set up a little coffee nook or a bar area.
And I love the built-in microwave.
So this home, as you'll see in a moment, is very open. So the kitchen leads into the dining and the family room area. And you'll notice just how light and bright it is in here. So you've got the gorgeous windows here in the dining room. You have those large sliders throughout the back. And again, plenty of space for your furniture. And you'll see this beautiful tray ceiling accent as well.
Like Amarah was saying, it is so bright and light in here. And then the warm floors truly do brighten up the space. It's stunning.
One of the wonderful features of this home is the location of it. So we're standing on the extended lanai right now. And as you can see, we are not looking at another home. We are looking at the gorgeous treescape here. This is a preserve view home site. So you have the knowledge that nobody is going to be behind you.
That is great. And it is so quiet and peaceful back here.
So if privacy is important to you, or you just like to come outside and enjoy a view, this would be a fabulous location.
Wonderful.
And I'd also like to point out that we already have it ready and prepped for gas.
Awesome.
So if you have grandiose plans of having a gorgeous outdoor space, this lanai is already set up for it.
That is awesome. What a bonus. Gosh, this view from this angle is so beautiful. It really is so open here.
Very open. And then tucked away at the back here, you're going to have the owners. So just as a reminder, we have the secondary bedroom up at the front of the home with a bathroom. And then at the back of the home, you have the owners. So again, there's a nice separation there, that element of privacy. And this owners is truly one to be desired. Not only is it large, but you have these gorgeous windows in the back. So as you're waking up in the morning, or you're maybe watching TV or relaxing, you have a gorgeous view of the trees there.
Love the tray ceilings. Yeah, those windows are beautiful.
And we spared absolutely no expense on this owner's bath. I mean, can you say spa? You're not seeing things. This is actually a freestanding tub. It seems like a rarity these days, but we decided to design this bathroom to feel more spa-like. So you do have the freestanding tub, the shower with the wall tile to the ceiling detail. And again, it's very light and bright. You'll also notice there's a seamless entry into the closet, which makes this bathroom feel that much larger. And what you're about to see in just a minute is a very important David Weekley Homes feature. We love to make our homes beautiful, but we also love functionality. So we converted all that under the stair space into additional storage in your closet.
That's awesome. You could put luggage there. You could put a crate there if you've got a dog or an animal. So absolutely. And I do also want to remind everyone, as we are in Seabrook Village, that the Seabrook Park is just minutes away, walking distance from here. So you'd have access to that, as well as access to all the other incredible amenities here in Nocatee. So we're going to walk through the house back to the stairs.
Yep, and then before we go upstairs, I would like us to take a minute to look at the tucked away utility area where we have downstairs laundry and also a coat closet. Carlin will show us that in just a moment. So you have a wonderful coat closet there, or as I like to use it for my vacuum, in the hot months, we don't need coats here. And then you have a spacious laundry room with a countertop. So again, that functionality piece is there. Now we're about to take you to the upstairs, which is just as beautiful. And you'll notice that we've got an upgraded staircase here. So this is all stunning luxury vinyl.
Wow.
And then you have the beautiful square post with the wood going all the way up.
And I love how bright it is with the window.
Yep, we have a window at the top of the stairs here, again, bringing in lots of natural light.
And like I was just saying about the amenities here, if you do want to know what all Nocatee has to offer as a resident here, you can definitely go to the Nocatee website and click on the lifestyle tab, and you can see all the incredible amenities, our award-winning water parks, and all the different parks that you'd have access to.
So we're on the second level now, and we have 2 bedrooms with a bathroom in between. The bedroom we're in now is wonderful. It actually has a walk-in closet.
That's nice. For your favorite child.
Yeah, we call that one the favorite child room. That's for sure. And as you come out here, you'll also notice that there's going to be a linen closet to the left. So again, functionality, organization, all great factors, especially when you have a family. And then this is the upstairs bathroom. I love that it has dual sinks.
Yes.
So no more fighting over the sink in the morning. Who's going to brush their teeth first?
It's very spacious and deep there too.
And then you'll see the other bedroom here in a moment. And what I love about these bedrooms is that they're right off of the spacious loft area.
It's huge.
Yes, and we actually upgraded this loft to have all luxury vinyl plank flooring. So the possibilities in here are endless. It would make a great entertainment spot. You could do built-in desks if you're homeschooling the kids, or a place for them to do their homework. And again, we've got lots of windows up here for natural lighting.
That's wonderful. So many different upgrades in this house. Obviously, it looks probably amazing in camera, but it looks even better in person. So you'll definitely want to come here in Seabrook Village and check it out. So Amarah, remind us again where we're at and about this home.
So we're at 340 Sienna Palm Drive. This is our shepherd plan located here in Seabrook Village, Phase 1 on the preserve. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a spacious loft area. We do have other quick move-ins as well in various stages of construction. So please come out to our model home at 20 Recollection Drive in Reflections, and we'll be happy to show you.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much, and thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.